Good afternoon. My name is Aden Adhow. I'm the manager NTSA South Nyanza region. Today we want to give here a press release regarding the school opening. We have a campaign operation Watoto Warudi Salama in conjunction with all the stakeholders that are concerned with the issue of the schools and learning. With me is the representative of National Police Service, the Traffic Base Commander, Kisii Central, and also the Deputy County Director of Education. And we want to give information to the public and also to all the stakeholders. As you all know, and you have already observed, that there has been a spark in terms of fatalities and increase in the number of Kenyans that we have lost on the road. And we want to have a proactive way of approaching this, and through the lead agency NTSA as the lead agency of matters road safety, we are having a free motor vehicle inspection clinic tomorrow, Friday the 22nd of August 2025 at Cardinal Otunga Mosocho. We want to encourage all the school transport vehicle owners, vans, buses, to come in the large numbers. We will have an interactive session. We will have our officers from all the departments, motor vehicle inspection, licensing, road safety. We will have an interactive session with the drivers and also the bus owners, so that we can guide them on the basic road safety preparedness as we embark on back to school. Secondly, we are here as one government approach mechanism where will be prepared and will be doing our part in terms of ensuring we will enforce the laws, the Traffic Act and the NTSA Act in regard to the school transport when the schools are opening. And in the past we have observed that normally there is a laxity and a rush to carry our children in a very inhuman way. Excess have been observed, and also loitering of kids in the urban centers. And we have also recorded incidences and upsurge of non-roadworthy and unlicensed vehicles carrying school children, especially private vehicles and also vans that have not met the threshold in terms of roadworthiness. So we want to urge all the players, because road safety is a shared responsibility and all of us, we have a stake. Number one, please, all those who will be able to get this information to come in big number tomorrow at Mosocho grounds, so that we can have an interactive session on matters road safety. Secondly, we will be ready on our part in collaboration with the police and also the Ministry of Education to be proactive and to ensure that we also liaise with the PSV operators leadership through the County Transport and Safety Committee, which is an organ within the county where we'll be able to emphasize. But nevertheless, we always propagate the message that road safety is a shared responsibility, and let's all of us have a positive approach in terms of the road use. All the players, all the bus owners and also the PSV operators, kindly let's be candid and let's have this time round concerted effort in ensuring that we have safe travel back home, back to school.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I want to appreciate the effort that is made by the people in charge of the road safety in our republic, for the effort they have made to invite our schools to this exercise, where we want to be sure, all of us, that the means our learners, our children are going to use back to school are safe for them to use. My name is Aden Adhow, Quality Assurance and Standards Officer in the Office of the County Director. Safety on the roads is a responsibility for all of us.